Much improved day today over yesterday's weather. Lots of sunshine, although we had to put up with quite a bit of a breeze here this afternoon. Hopefully it blew all the leaves off my lawn into my neighbor's lawn. I'm sure my neighbor thinks the same thing. Let's take a look ahead at your Friday as we wrap up the week. 13 weather ball is blue, not quite as warm weather in view. And this view, we are going to look at some scattered showers perhaps coming our way tomorrow.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Nothing on the weather ball camera there now, nothing on our web cameras either, although we can see a few more clouds coming in from the west late tonight, but all the way around, a beautiful sunset going on right now. Temperatures have cooled off from the afternoon highs. We're now back down into the mid and upper 40s away from the lake shore. West wind have got you with just a little bit warmer water temperatures on the lake here in the 40s. The winds are still gusting to 30 plus miles an hour in many locations. Sustained winds around 15 to 20. We will see our winds come down quite a bit here once the sun goes down. But wow, we love that blue sky. Lots of sunshine throughout the day today. Later on tonight, we're going to see some high clouds come in. There are a couple of sprinkles of rain out here in Minnesota and Iowa. They may get into West Michigan very late tonight. That'll be all while you're sleeping, and they'll all be gone in the morning. Otherwise, a fairly quiet weather pattern, but we got a little trough of low pressure that's going to kind of swing down out of Canada. That's going to keep us a little bit cooler here tomorrow than today, because we'll see a few afternoon clouds, and there could also be some lake effect rain showers with that. We could see those popping up here. There's that little brief shower overnight. We're going to start the day with lots of sunshine, but as that trough moves through, you notice there are a couple of light rain showers in through here. Nothing that would be anything more than wet the ground for about 10 minutes, and then it would be done, and then we'll hang on to some of those clouds overnight Friday night. Now back on Saturday, we'll start out with some clouds, but back to some sunshine, and we'll see that repeated here during the day on Sunday. Morning clouds, some afternoon sunshine. Not a lot of precipitation. There's the amount of rain coming our way later on tonight. Maybe enough to wet the ground, and then maybe a little bit more right along the lake shore west of Grand Rapids. That would be during the afternoon and early evening tomorrow. As far as snow, this is all the way through the following weekend, November 19th. You can see very little snow here in Michigan. In fact, very little snow in the eastern 2/3 of the U.S. As far as our long range outlook, high chances it will stay warmer than average from the 15th through the 19th. No sign of any snow coming in our direction, and we have a higher chance for less precipitation as the storm track is going to be well to our southwest. So tonight, clear skies early. It'll still be breezy this evening. There might be a sprinkle in Muskegon, Holland late tonight. Mid and upper 30s, maybe around 40 further south. Low and mid 30s north. You'll see a period where it'll become mostly cloudy and then clear by daybreak. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, again, maybe a sprinkle later on tonight. Overnight lows in the mid 30s. 13 on your side forecast. Lake areas of Ottawa, Muskegon, all the way down through Van Buren County could see a lake effect rain shower tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Otherwise, warming from the 40s tomorrow and Saturday to the 50s starting Sunday. Dry weather and sunshine all the way through next Wednesday. Then after that, we see more rain starting perhaps now as late as Thursday night, so a dry day Thursday, but rain probably for the following weekend.
Okay, but those sunshines all look nice on that floor.
Holding out to that sunshine.
Thank you, George.
What a bright day here in West Michigan. Blue skies, a little bit windy, however, but I'll take the wind with that sunshine. What's ahead for your Friday, the start of the weekend? 13 weather ball is blue. We have a little bit cooler weather in view.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And under those clear skies this evening, I'm going to give Amy and Jesse a green paw to walk Lincoln and Luna. There they are. They're just waiting to head on out. Clear skies tonight, and we may see a few clouds late tonight, but lots of sunshine to start your day tomorrow. A little bit cooler, so a green paw for your morning walk as well. A few clouds throughout the afternoon tomorrow, so about half the amount of sunshine we had today, 4.4 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy from the sun, and the wind's down a little bit here tomorrow as well. Nonetheless, 1.5 million equivalent homes powered by the wind. Mostly cloudy skies for your Friday, becoming partly cloudy during the games as we drop from the low 40s into the upper 30s. It'll feel like 30s for the entire game. Not impossible there could be a sprinkle of rain with that. A big game at Penn State here on Saturday afternoon in State College. It'll be 47 and mostly mostly cloudy skies. Grand Valley has a 1 o'clock kickoff versus Davenport over in Allendale at 46 degrees and mostly cloudy. And the Michigan State-Ohio State football game at Ohio State will be mostly clear. I think temperatures will be in the 40s. Other than that, we've got clear skies overhead. Notice off to the west there are a few high clouds, a couple of sprinkles falling out of those right now. Those may make it into West Michigan late tonight, but they'll be out of the area by tomorrow morning. You can watch those showers. There they go. By sunrise, they're gone. You won't even notice it. Ground will be just a little bit damp. We got a little bit of some energy coming down from the northwest that may trigger some lake effect clouds and a couple of sprinkles of rain, maybe some showers west of 131 during the afternoon tomorrow. It may linger into the evening, but skies will then clear on out and we'll have a nice day coming up on Saturday. Sunday will do that as well. We'll have a few high clouds, and by late in the afternoon, we'll start to see some sunshine once again. There's that little trail of rain here late tonight, just enough to wet the ground. And again, during the day tomorrow, there could be a little bit more right at the lakeshore, and it'll all be in the form of some rain. Now, this is the model snow forecast, which takes us all the way through the weekend. You can see all of the snow staying up in the UP. No snow coming in our direction for the time being. In fact, our long-range outlook, this is from November 17th through the 23rd, our 8 to 14-day outlook. High chances that we'll stay warmer than our averages, which are in the mid-40s, and we have a little bit higher chance now to see a little bit more rain during that period. For tonight, though, skies will be clear and then they'll become mostly cloudy for a bit. Maybe a sprinkle in Muskegon, Holland, but lows will be in the mid and upper 30s to near 40. Low and mid 30s north. Clear this evening, mostly cloudy late, and then back to clear by daybreak. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Perhaps a brief sprinkle here in Grand Rapids, maybe Ionia, Allegan, and Hastings. 13 on your side forecast. 40s next couple of days instead of low 50s. We'll make it back into the 50s starting Sunday and most, if not all, of next week. Sunshine to start the week, dry weather through Thursday. We push some rain from Friday into Thursday night, but it looks like next weekend will be a little bit wetter than this weekend.
All right, but at least we get some sunshine in between there and all that rain.
Looking good.
All right, thanks so much, George. Blue sky, sunny day, absolutely gorgeous out there for this fall day.
And everybody is smiling today, and I know it's because of that beautiful weather, George.
It is, yeah. I love the blue skies this time of year because you know it can be cloudy and rainy like it has been. Certainly a 180-degree transition from yesterday. A little windy as well, really whipping up the waves along the lakeshore. Irma just emailed this photo from Oval Beach near Saugatuck of all of that wind-whipped waves out there on Lake Michigan. 13 weather ball is blue for some slightly cooler weather in view on your Friday.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today managed to crack the 50-degree mark, much warmer than yesterday, well, maybe just a tad bit warmer down in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, South Haven. You were in the 50s yesterday. We were in the 40s. We forecast a 49. Ooh, we just got in under the wire with that 52. We're back on track and hope to extend that here during the day tomorrow. We're tracking some mid-level clouds across Iowa right now that are taking aim toward lower Michigan, and we may see a sprinkle out of those very late tonight. It'll be happening while you're sleeping, won't even notice it. In fact, skies will be clear by daybreak. Hour by hour, we could see those clouds coming in. There's that brief shower. That was very quick, wasn't it? Because this is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Very quiet to start our day. Now in the afternoon, might get a little bit cloudy, couple of sprinkles, maybe some lake effect rain showers along the lake shore and up north. It's going to be very brief. And then skies will become partly cloudy to mostly clear for your high school football games. Now, the clouds may stick around at the lakeshore later on tomorrow night, but the overall weather pattern is dry and warming up after the weekend. It's going to be kind of cool with that northwest flow here on Saturday, but it'll switch around to the southeast. But a lot of high clouds on Sunday morning, and then those skies will clear out later on in the day. So just kind of intermittent clouds, sunshine, and not a lot in terms of precipitation. You can see this is what we're expecting from the model run here tonight. This is enough to wet the ground, maybe a little bit more here in Muskegon. But again, overall, it's going to be a somewhat dry weather pattern. So again, we'll throw in an afternoon sprinkle or a light shower along the lakeshore up and down, but otherwise starting out with sunshine, mid and upper 40s, maybe near 50 around South Haven. So that is definitely cooler than today. The winds are going to be a lot lighter than today. Mid 40s up north. There could be a snowflake in with those pop-up showers, but mainly partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, mid-40s here, mid-40s to upper 40s from Grand Rapids southward. We'll have to include that chance of a few pop-up showers in the afternoon into the early evening. 13 on your side forecast. Veterans Day 47 under partly to mostly cloudy skies, but dry. Another dry day Sunday all the way through next to Thursday, warming up into the 50s here next week. We've pushed some of the rain from Friday into Thursday night, but dry all day Thursday. And then kind of a wet weekend coming up next weekend as we fall from the 50s into the 40s.